This 2025 East to West Blackthorn 3700 BHOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.